So today we're in Animal Kingdom and we're going to do the Wild Africa Trek. At the moment the park isn't open, so we've got the whole place to ourselves. Look. So we've just had our Wild Africa Trek lunch, which was really nice. We had it in like these metal canisters. It's just like fruit and some ham and like sort of a mix between apple and cucumber. It was really nice, and we washed it down with some jungle juice. I don't know what that is, like some sort of tropical fruit juice. And now we're just going for the rest of our tour on the thing. Look at the Sasquatch in its natural habitat. We've decided to walk back to the car rather than taking the tram. Apparently, according to Hayley, it's a 3-minute walk. We're going on a bike ride and we've just left
that
here,
circle there, and we're lost.
And we've got to here and we're lost. We had to ask someone for
Who was
directions.
reading the map?
Okay, some bloke read the map.
Some bloke being you.
Okay, I read the map and it was wrong, and the bloke
Lost.
Just go.
That's your fault.
Oh yeah, just
Just what?
go over there somewhere.
I'll go over there, so I'll go over where?
Just over it. I know where I'm going for me. I think we're really lost now. I mean, it's on the map it says that we're supposed to be on a road, but this does not look like a road. We've just come out to dinner to NYPD Pizza. It's a little bit busy tonight, so they've given us one of these, which is a bit of pizza. So we're going to go and do a bit of shopping in Publix before going to have our dinner. Thing's only bloody gone off, innit, when we were in the Publix, and we haven't even had a chance to stop running, I've got a headache.